Hello, Turnouts, and welcome to this daily market commentary for Monday, the 15th of July, 2019. Hope you all had a great weekend and a good start to the week as well. What a weekend it was if you were a crypto trader. A start of the week very much dominated by the sell-off in cryptocurrencies over the weekend. Much of the blame appears to be attributed to President Trump's Thursday tweet about not being a fan of cryptocurrencies. If that is the case, that's a record delay to one of his tweets, especially from a market as vulnerable as crypto. However, there was a story circulating around from Reuters that the Democratic majority that leads the US House Financial Services Committee is circulating a draft proposal to prevent big technology companies from functioning as financial institutions or issuing digital currencies. The draft legislation known as Keep Big Tech Out of Finance Act would likely meet strong resistance from Republicans and could potentially struggle to gather enough votes to pass in either house. But you can certainly see the motivation behind the Democrats there, obviously a direct reference to Facebook and anybody trying to replicate what Facebook is trying to do right now with their own cryptocurrency, namely Libra. Regardless, it spooked the market, and coupled with ETH breaking a major support level at 261, the crypto markets had a rough start to the week. At time of writing, or time of recording, I guess I should say in this case, the BTC is trading at 10,600, having traded as low as 9,855. The July 2nd low of 9,614 is the level that really does need to hold, and I'll go into that momentarily in the technical breakdown. ETH has traded back up to 231 from an earlier low of 203. So a real substantial sell-off from where we left Friday. Just as I was closing up on Friday, Bitcoin traded up to 11,900 and ETH was about 278. So some really significant moves there. On the FX front, quite the opposite. A very, very quiet start to the week. Most of the major currencies stuck in 20 or 30 point ranges and have shown little interest in straying far from Friday's close. Sterling would be the one exception, trading down as low as 125.10 against the dollar as fears mount over Brexit and the current Conservative Party leadership race. Gold was also a little change from Friday's close, trading around $1,413 an ounce, and even US equities took a little pause for breath today. The three major indices all closing new record highs, but the Dow Jones up just 27 points at the day's end. On the technical front here, you can see the chart I have up in front of us is a 1 hour Bitcoin chart. You can see over here on the right hand side, we've had this fairly sharp sell off here on Friday down to this low, and then we have had a bounce back up to 10,600, so it's kind of resilient. But the level I've mentioned here, 9,610, depends exactly how you draw it and where you source your data, but somewhere around that level you can see pretty significant. And if you came back across here, if we drop below that line, it would seem the possibility of opening up down to this next support level that I've drawn here around 8,800. It could well happen. So for now, it seems like there's enough buyers on dips, and we're holding. But if we do break there, then look out below. And that's really about it. So keep an eye on that. And I wish everyone the very best of luck for the week. Hopefully, the FX side of things gets a little more interesting as the week progresses. Wish you all the best of luck and look forward to speaking to you tomorrow. Cheers.